What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, your girl Jessica, and today I have a review of the new MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Matte Foundations. They look like this. So the foundation claims it's a buildable medium coverage with an ultra blendable formula for a natural matte that lasts for 24 hours. Available in 33 different shades for all skin types, non-creasing, non-settling, non-streaking, non-caking, non-poring, stay true color, instantly hydrating, and long wear. To start off, I'm going to go in with some primer. I've already moisturized, put eye cream on, all that good stuff. I already have my brows on. Well, just some brow tint. Now, what I normally do, I'm going to do one side with a brush and the other side with a beauty blender. And then I'm also going to go in with a little bit of the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Definitely don't like this brush that I'm using, so I'm going to get a different brush. And with a more dense brush, this is the foundation brush from It Cosmetics. So yeah, it's definitely a little bit of coverage, but I do still see some of my redness, so we're definitely gonna have to build it up. Let's do this side. But if you like minimal coverage, then this would be perfect for you. Definitely, as I suspected, less coverage with the beauty blender. I don't really even put any foundation here. My summer stash. We're gonna do one more layer of foundation. I definitely do prefer the brush shot. I definitely do prefer the foundation with a brush. There we go. Okay. Definitely, if it is buildable like it says. Now that I have the foundation on, I'm liking the coverage with the two layers. I'm going to go ahead and try out the contour shade, which is in NW43. So we're gonna put some right here. And the foundation definitely doesn't dry quick. I felt like I had plenty of time to blend it out, which is always a good thing. So now that I have the foundation and the contour on, I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. Like I said, this is the MAC Pro Longwear in NW20. Okay, so now that the concealer, all the base makeup is on, I'm going to set everything. And then I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and when I come back I will share my thoughts with you guys. We'll see how my skin's looking. Right now I think it looks super hydrated, and even though it wasn't as full coverage as I would have liked, it was definitely buildable. So I think this would be more on when I'm just running errands, when I just want to throw something on real quick. This stick is going to do the trick. finally finished my makeup. I added blush, my lip color, and did my eyes, of course, as you can see. But what we're here for is this foundation, so let's talk about it. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit so we can see what we got going on. Like I said earlier, this little spot I should have added some extra concealer, but totally spaced it. So, hopefully I don't have sleep in my eyes. But this is what I'm looking like. And you guys, I think my skin looks pretty damn good. Wasn't sure if it would work for my skin, since some stick foundations are meant more for dry skin, some are meant more for oily skin. So far so good. I've had it on for about an hour, 20 minutes. I've been in between filming Instagram video as well. But it looks good. I haven't set it. I did, just when I finished with my blush, add a little bit of the MAC pressed powder. This is the Next to Nothing powder. And I just added that a little bit in my T-zone. And you guys, I think it looks really good. I am excited to see how it wears throughout the day. And I'll keep you guys updated on how I do like the foundation. I'm going to be trying it out the next couple days, maybe comparing it to another foundation. I'm not quite sure yet. But let me know your guys' thoughts. How do you think my skin looks? I think it looks pretty good. And of course I did pair it with that Fenty primer, and that's it. Everything else was the normal routine. I did use the MAC concealer, which I thought paired really well with it. And at first I thought the contour was a little warm, but I think it matched perfectly, actually. I did, next time I do know that when I do go to put it on, I'm not going to be making that big bold line like I did in the beginning of the video. I'll basically just like tilt the top of the foundation, like, let me show you. Going full force like this when I conceal, or when I contour, I'll go more at an angle and do a thinner line. So you definitely don't need all that. But it blended great. I did prefer it with a brush, but other than that, it's probably going to be my go-to foundation for when I need to be out the door and I don't have actually time to sit down and, you know, play with a liquid foundation. Okay, so this ends my first impressions try on of the new MAC Studio Fix Soft Matte Stick Foundation. If you guys did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not already subscribed. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. Peace out. I said peace out! Oh my god. Well, you guys, oh my god!